If you've ever wanted a small but powerful action camera that can shoot cinematic footage anywhere, this might just be it. Today we're unboxing the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Adventure Combo, my very first action camera. I'll show you what's inside, how it feels, and how I'm adding it to my workflow. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is my first action camera. I got the Adventure Combo, which I think is really worth it, and I'll explain why in this video. I'll also show you how I use it in my workflow. Let's start by checking what's inside the box. I already opened the seal to check at the time of buying. Sorry for that. When you open it, you'll see two boxes, one for the camera body and one for the accessories. The packaging is pretty minimal and efficient in how it uses space. There is also an extension rod compartment at the bottom. In the first box, we have the camera body and the protective frame. This is my first ever action cam. And it actually feels quite small but very solid in hand. Here's the protective frame along with some accessories. Two locking screws. And a few anti-slip pads that help make the mounting connections more secure. There's also a curved adhesive base, which you can use to mount the camera on a helmet. And the quick release adapter mount, a genius design that's super useful for attaching accessories. For the remaining accessories, we have a DJI sticker, manuals, which I never read, a USB-C cable, nice to have. A longer quick release mount. and the battery case. This case is what makes the adventure combo so effective. By the way, this case doesn't charge the batteries like an earbud case. It's just a holder with LED lights that show the battery status. If you plan to use the Action 5 for an entire day, I definitely recommend this case because one battery won't be enough. The case is slim and convenient. You can charge all 3 batteries at once. The included extension rod can extend up to 1.5 meters, which is just slightly shorter than the height of an average adult. At the bottom, there's a 1/4 screw hole where you can install the quick release mount. There are so many creative ways to use this setup. For example, taking shots from a high angle. Now here's the main character of this video, the camera itself. The lens protector is already installed by default. I know many people were hoping for a 1-inch sensor, but I think the current sensor size is just right if you want everything in focus. That's all for the unboxing. Now let's move on to setting up the Action 5 Pro. I've always been a fan of DJI products. Their setup process is simple and intuitive, and you can easily find setup tutorials on YouTube. You'll need your phone and the DJI Mimo app for this setup. Important note, make sure to update the firmware through the Mimo app before using it. DJI regularly rolls out updates, and some of them bring huge improvements. For example, the bitrate setting, I have it set to high for better video quality. One thing I really like about the Action 5 Pro is how fast recording starts. It takes less than a second. You can even preset how long you want to record. Switching between frame rates and resolutions is super easy. I like the protective frame from DJI. It's lightweight since it's made of plastic, and being black in color, it doesn't make the camera stand out too much. You can also mount the adapter on the side if you want to shoot vertical videos. The only downside is you'll need to remove the camera if you want to take out the SD card or battery. The frame feels tight at first, but it loosens slightly over time. The Action 5 Pro has now become an inseparable part of my filmmaking setup because it's so tiny and versatile. I love mounting it in front of my chest to get POV shots. The view was absolutely stunning. Capture a POV angle, especially when it's inconvenient